Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Then again 10 minus 3 is equal to also 7. Then 3. Now 7 multiply 7 multiply 3. Okay. So 7 multiply 7 is equal to 49. 49 multiply 3 is equal to 147. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here, multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. So is equal to 10 minus 3. Now solve this parenthesis. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 multiply 3. Okay. Now according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is multiplication. Then we have to solve subtraction. Okay. So here is subtraction and here is multiplication. First we have to solve multiplication, but here is one multiplication and here is two multiplication. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay. So 10 minus 3 multiply 7 is equal to 21 multiply 3 is equal to now 10 minus 21 multiply 3. Okay. So 21 multiply 3 is equal to 63. Now 10 minus 63 is equal to minus 53. Okay, so the correct answer is minus 53. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.